IDM is very popular tool used to directly download videos from websites. It provides 30 days free trial, but after that we cannot use it anymore. When we open IDM it exits by giving registration error messages like 30-day trial period is over or IDM has been registered with fake serial number and quad. Follow this simple tutorial to get back Internet Download Manager 30-day trial pack forever without crack or paying subscription fees even for latest versions and builds of IDM. Open your browser. Open website www.bullit.com/idm.zip. A zip file will be downloaded. Open Downloads folder and extract it. Use password 123. Run the file as an administrator. If IDM is already open, you must end task it from Task Manager and then click the Reset button again. Click the Reset button. Now if you open IDM it will work normally just like a new 30-day trial.